Hi guys, so today's video is a get ready with me video and I'm going to show you how to create this easy Indian wedding guest look. So first things first, I'll tie and secure my hair with a hairband. And now I'm going to prep my skin by spraying some rose water. This one's by Dabur. And rose water is basically a face mist which helps your skin stay hydrated and absorb extra oil. And then I'm going to just wipe off the extra using a cotton pad and cleanse my skin. So now I'm going to start by applying some primer. So primer creates an extra layer between your skin and your makeup, and it helps makeup last longer, smoothens the skin surface and even out the skin tone. And the one I'm using is by The Body Shop. And I'll be listing all the product details in the description box below so you can later on check it all out. Then I'm using this BB cream from Maybelline and just take a generous amount of it on your palm. And using a beauty blender, just dab it all over your face and then blend. Also make sure you choose the right shade, and that means choosing a shade that naturally mixes in with your skin tone. Now to blend it more perfectly and to avoid patches, I'm using this foundation sponge to even things out. And then apply the BB cream on the neck area so that the skin tone of your neck and your face match. Now the next product that I'm using is the Illuskin foundation with SPF 20. It's the one by Oriflame, and I'll just take a little amount of it on my hand, and using my fingers I'm just gonna pat it all over my face. And then blend everything using the foundation sponge. Now after applying all the liquid products, I'm using this compact powder. You can even use a loose powder on areas that tend to get oily, and if you have dry skin you can skip this as it will cause more dryness. Now I'm going to do my eyes with this eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the small smudge brush that comes with the eyeshadow palette. So we shall start by applying the base first. And after that I'm going to use this bronze shade to do the inner half of my eye. And then I'm going to use the magenta pink shade to do the other half. And then I'm going to use this light purple shade to even out and blend both the shades. And now it's time for the secret eye makeup ingredient. So I'm using this sparkly eye dust by Color Essence to create a glittery shiny effect. And coming to my favorite part, the eyeliner. So I'm using this very basic Lakme eyeliner, and I'm going to use it to do my eyeliner, my kajal and my inner eye. And to fill in my brows, I'm using the Body Shop Smoky 2-in-1 Gel Liner. And to highlight my cheeks and my face, I'm using the Revlon highlighting palette. And then just blending it all using a foundation brush. And to highlight my cheeks, I'm using this pink colored blush by Colormates. And before applying the lipstick, I'm using this lip balm by Himalaya to avoid my lips from getting cracky as it's winters. And I forgot to apply the most important ingredient of eye makeup, mascara. So I'm using the one by Maybelline to do my lashes. And then the last step is to apply your lipstick, and this one's again by Maybelline, and it has got me wondering when did I buy so many Maybelline products. And yes, I'm finally done with my makeup. And now moving on to hair, I am naturally blessed with straight hair, so I'm not going to use a straightener. I'll just use a serum, and this one's by Streaks. And yes, I'm just going to brush my hair off with a thick comb. And yes, I have changed into my outfit, and I'm going to apply my Victoria's Secret perfume. And for accessorizing, I am wearing these golden bangles in one hand and my Michael Kors golden watch on the other. And the earrings that I am going to wear, I actually ordered it from an Instagram brand, and I'm absolutely in love with these. I'll also leave a link to the Instagram account of this brand in the description box below. You can check that out as well. And yay, that's my final look. And if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Now you guys might be wondering where I got this outfit from. I actually got it from a showroom in Vadodara. It's called the Thakur Ji, and if you live in Gujarat, you should definitely check that place out. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.